Hi, welcome back to a very special edition of Learning Tea Language with Hope. Look what's finally here, the book. My book is finally out. It's published. You can find it on Amazon. So today I'm just going to go through the book because a lot of people have asked me to see what's in the book. So I'm just going to go through some of the book, not the entire book, but just a little bit. So you can get a glimpse of what you're getting when you purchase this book from Amazon. So basically this is what you will see. It's about this size. So it's pretty big because there's a workbook in there, things to do, and this is what the back looks like. It just says a little bit about me, the author, and what you will be getting, and that's what that looks like. And so yeah, this is it. So let's go through the book. Let me try to center it here. So when you open the first page, it just says basic tea, says a little bit about the tea language. Next page is an introduction, how to use this book. There's an acknowledgement page, and then there's a table of contents. So it just goes through the alphabet, grammar, greetings, vocabulary, relationships, days of the week, and telling time, and conversations. There's an answer key for all the workbook things at the back of the book, and there's a glossary. And so you start with lesson 1 with it, which is alphabet. I think we should go more to greetings. Let's do lesson 3 on greetings, which is 38. Let me just flip through the book real quick so you can see what it looks like. So it has like workbook things you can do, lesson 2, lesson 3. And each lesson is divided into different units. So we're gonna do 38, which is lesson 3, and it's about formal and informal greetings, introducing yourself. This just gives you your learning objective, and then it starts over here. Undeve, it gives you the Tiv and then the English greetings. Undeve means good morning. Ubandeve means good afternoon. You basically just go through all the different greetings. And then on the next page, yeah, that's the next page, goes through just sort of sentences you can make with that after that. So there's how are you, gunana, or ugudiduga. Goes through all of that. And then this is still lesson 3, unit 1. And then it gives you a sample of a conversation between Moses and John. Upandeve and upandevega and upandenena. Ngudidu weye. Mukpa mungudidu. Msu. So it just goes through a typical conversation that would be had, that two people would have. And there's a translation over here. And then there's more of greetings. And this one is a greeting between Moses is greeting Anna and Susha. So it's like a group of people. It's not just one person to one person anymore. One person to two people. So it goes Nipandeve and Upandevega and Nipandenena. So he's speaking to many people. On the next page, Tefa greeting Sewese. So it just gives you many examples you can go through like that. And then there's an introduction, introducing yourselves to others. And then there's practice exercise, as there is. After every lesson, there's a practice exercise. And of course, the answers are at the back of the book. How would you say good morning to an elderly man? And these are your options. Baba upandeve, baba undeve, And also one interesting thing that I have in this book that I would like to point out is there's a culture check. I have little culture checks in here, which just tells you a little bit about the Tiv culture. And here it says, when greeting the elderly, it is important to address them as mama or baba. So you don't just say, if you see an elderly person, you don't just say upandeve like you would say to anybody. You would put the baba upandeve or mama upandeve in at the start of this greeting. So it just gives you little culture checks like that in the book as well. And yeah, so this is the practice exercise that you get with that. There's another practice. The practice exercise goes on, and then you move on to chapter 4. So you have to get the book to get the full experience. But yeah, basic Tiv. You can get it now on Amazon. Order it.